Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy using breading mix. You can easily turn those flavorful pan drippings and leftover breading into a rich, savory gravy. This simple process ensures a smooth, lump-free sauce that enhances any meal. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final seasoning, making homemade gravy a breeze for everyone to enjoy. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pan drippings from your cooked meat, or you can use cooking oil. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of your breading mix. For the liquid, have 2 cups of chicken broth or water on hand. A combination works wonderfully too. Finally, ensure you have salt and black pepper for seasoning to your preference. Now, let's create the flavorful roux. Heat your pan drippings or oil in a skillet over low to medium-low heat. Whisk in the 1/4 cup of breading mix, cooking this mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes until it turns a light brown color. This step removes the raw flour taste. Then, slowly add your 2 cups of broth or water, whisking constantly to ensure a perfectly smooth consistency without any lumps. For the final steps, bring your gravy to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Continue to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your desired consistency. Taste and season with salt, black pepper, or any other spices you enjoy. Your delicious, homemade gravy is now ready to be served warm over mashed potatoes, fried chicken, or any other favorite savory dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.